Hello, good morning students. Today we'll see practice set 4.5 ratio and proportion. Right? Now the first question, question number 5. If A upon B is equals to B upon C and A, B, C are greater than 0, then show that this I need to prove. But student, how will start the solution? What is given? The given is A upon B is equals to what? B upon C. So we'll assume let each ratio be equals to K. Therefore, A upon B is equals to K. Similarly, B upon C is also equals to K. So here my A is what? A is BK. And here my B is what? B is CK. So I can substitute this value here? Yes. My B is what? CK. One more K here. So CK square. These are two values we got here. Okay? Now, what I need to prove? This I need to prove. So I'll take left hand side first. What is my left hand side? A plus B plus C into B minus C. This is my left hand side. Right? Do I know the value of A? Yes. What is the value of A? A is CK square plus what is the value of B? B is CK plus C as it is. Now what is the value of B? Look at here. B is CK and C is what? C will be as it is. Can I take something common here? Yes. Among these three, I can take C as common. So I left with K square plus K. Nothing means what? 1. Here I can take again C as common. They are multiplying. Okay? So C I have taken common. So K minus 1. This C and C is what? They will multiply. C into C, C square. My answer is K square plus K plus 1 and K minus 1. This will be my answer of left hand side. Clear everyone? Understood this much? Now let us take right hand side. Now what is my right hand side? Look, go back to your question. This is my right hand side. AB minus C square. Therefore, do we know A? Yes. Earlier we got A as CK square into B. What is B? B is CK minus C square as it is. Can I take something common here? Look, first they are multiplying. Let us multiply. C1, C into C, they will give me C square. K raised to 2 and K raised to 1, this will give me K raised to 3 minus C square. Now, can we take something common here? Yes, I can take C square as common. So, what do we left? K cube minus 1. Can I write 1 as cube? Yes. 1 raised to anything? 1 only. So I am writing this one as 1 ka cube. Now we'll apply here A cube minus B cube formula. What is this formula? This formula tells you A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. We'll apply this formula here. So my C square as it is, this will give me A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. B square means what? 1 square will always be same. So this will be my final answer for right hand side. Now let us check left hand side and right hand side. Do they are same? Yes. So I'll say, we will write here left hand side is equals to right hand side. This is the solution for the first sub question. I hope you have understood how to find the value of A and B. Now the same values will apply for second sub question. This is my second sub question. What we'll do? Again we'll take left hand side first. What is my left hand side? A square plus B square. B square plus C square. This will be my left hand side. Let's start solution. Do we know A? Yes. Look at here. My A is what? CK square. So I'll write here. We will write here CK whole square, right? Next, plus b. What is the value of b? B is, wait a minute students, what is the value of a? A is ck square. Now a square, so we'll put here square. Then plus, what is b? B is ck, so I'll write here ck, but square, so I'll put here square. One more square bracket. What is the b? B is ck square, the whole square, plus c will be as it is, so c square. Now multiply c square, here we will get k raised to 4, plus here you will get c square, and this one k square. Next bracket, again c square and k square, plus c square. Can we take something common here? Yes. C square I can take common. So we'll take here c square common. One more thing, yes, k square will also be common. So I'll get here k raised to 2, plus here we left nothing, means what? 1. Same thing, they are multiplying. Again, what I can take common? C square will be my common. What do I left here? We left here k square, plus I have already taken this c square as common. So we left what? 1. Now what they are doing? They are multiplying. Look, c square into c square, they will give you c raised to 4. 2 plus 2, 4. And this k square as it is. Now, look, bracket into bracket. What do we know? We know that a into a square. X into x square. Similarly, students, bracket into bracket, bracket square. So look, bracket into bracket. So I'll write bracket square. Now can we open this bracket? Yes. C raised to 4 k square. Now I'll open it. A square. What is a square? So k raised to 4. Plus 2 into ab. This will be 2 into ab. Plus b square. B square means 1 square. Which formula I have applied here? We have applied here a plus b the whole square formula. What is that formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula we have applied here. Clear everyone? So this is the final answer for left hand side. Now I will move towards right hand side. Now look students, what is my right hand side? Let us copy AB plus BC the whole square, right? Therefore, let us apply. Do we know the value of A? Yes. What is the value of A? Come back to this. A is what? CK square. So I'll write here CK square into, they are multiplying, into, what is B? Look at here, B is CK. Plus next, BC. First we'll take B. What is the value of B? B is CK. Into, what is C as it is? The whole square. Next, this, they are multiplying. C into C, C square. K raised to 2 plus K raised to 1, K raised to 3 plus C into C, C square into K, the whole square. Clear all? Now can we take something common? Yes. What? C square I can take common. What else? I can take this K1 as common. So I am taking K common. C square I have taken common. What do I left? It was K3. K1 I have taken common. So we left K square. Everything we have taken common here. So we left with 1 the whole square. Clear? 1 the whole square. Now look. This as it is, this whole square, it will move to square bracket. It means this whole square is applicable for everyone. This will go to C. So C square will become C raised to 4. This will move towards K. So this will give me K square. Now this will also move to bracket. So K square plus 1 the whole square. Now what will be my answer? C raised to 4, K raised to 2, A plus B the whole square. Same formula. What was that? A plus B the whole square is A square plus 2AB plus B square. This formula will apply here. Let us apply. Right? Now apply this. So you will get A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this is my final answer for right hand side. Now match the answers. Left hand side is what? C raised to 4 k square. C raised to 4 k square. Same bracket, same bracket. So my left hand side is equivalent to what? It is equals to right hand side. So I'll write therefore my left hand side is equals to right hand side. This I need to prove, and this way we have proved yes that left hand sides are equals to right hand side. Clear all? Now we'll see third sub question. Look, we'll repeat the same procedure. First I'll take left hand side. Now students, what is my left hand side? Left hand side is a square plus b square upon ab. Therefore, do we know a square? Come back to this. Yes. A is what? Ck square. So here we'll write Ck square. But a square, the whole square, plus do I know b? Yes, look at here. B is what? Ck. So instead of b, what I can write? We can write Ck. So we'll apply here Ck. But the square, so we'll put here whole square. A, what is a? Back to this. A is Ck square into b. What is b? B is what? Ck. Clear everyone? How we have substituted these values? Okay. Now open this bracket. This square will move to this. So I will get c square. Again it will move to k square as well. 2 2s are 4. Now this will move to both. So this will give me c square, k square. Whole upon is c raised to 1 into c raised to 1. C into c. C into c will be c square. So this will give me c square. K raised to 2 into k raised to 1. 2 plus 1, k raised to 3. In numerator, look at here. From numerator, can we take something common? Yes. What? I can take c square common. What else? I can take k square also as common. I have taken c square common. K raised to 4. K raised to 2 I have taken common. So I left with k raised to 2 inside. Here everything we took out. So what do we left? 1 only. Now denominator is what? C square k raised to 3. Now look, c square will cancel. K square will cancel. So my final answer is what? K square plus 1 upon k. This will be the answer for the left hand side of my solution. Now we'll see the final right hand side. Look, what is my right hand side? A plus c upon b. Therefore, do we know a? Yes. Back to the first solution. A is ck square. So we will write here ck square plus c as it is. What is the value of b? Come back to the first solution. B is what? ck. We'll put it. Can you take anything common here? Yes. C I am taking common. What do I left here? K square plus 1 below ck. C will get cancel. So what is my final answer? K square plus 1 upon k. Do these two are looking same? Yes. Left hand side, right hand side, both are getting same answer. Since their answers are same, therefore, what will say? Yes. Our left hand side is equals to right hand side. Clear everyone? This was the fifth sub question of practice set 4.5. Hope you all are very much clear with this solution. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much.